What's going on, everyone? Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having an amazing day. So in today's video, we're gonna have a quick one here. We're gonna take a quick look at the silicone case from Samsung for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I've got the purple version here that coincides with the titanium violet. My first concern before we even open up the box is how much of a color match are we gonna have to this color? Because this color right here is awesome. The retail price on this, it varies. It's around 30 bucks. Right now I see it on Samsung's site for about 28. Sometimes it goes up to 35. All right, without any further delays, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let me get this pull tab off here. All right, cool. Let's get it unboxed here. Should just be the case, right? What else could there be? So we have a little protective thing here. Anything else in the box? Wow, a big old manual for a silicone case, really? Okay, this isn't gonna be needed. Let's put that off to the side. And here's the case itself. Oh, geez. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna be very forthright with you guys. So sorry, hey, timeout guys. So here's the thing. I'm about to blast the color of this thing to shreds here in the unboxing, but I've actually been using this for a couple hours. Here you see it outside. It's actually growing on me quite a bit. I'm actually starting to dig this purple, enough so that I kind of stopped and made this little recording here. While we're out here though, let's take a look at that 2600 brightness out here in a little bit of sunlight. Adaptive brightness turned on. That's pretty impressive. Looks pretty good with this color. I'm actually digging it. All right, we'll go back to this unboxing and first impressions. So take what I say with a grain of salt. I'm actually starting to like it a little bit. Oh, geez. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna be very forthright with you guys. Not a fan. Not a fan at all. Let's just leave this face down. Let's get this off here. I'm going by color only, okay? I'm just not a huge fan of the color here. Oh geez, I mean that is very purple. Yeah, I'm not so sure about the color. It feels pretty nice. It's got a little bit of texture to it. Little bit of texture, not too much. It's gonna keep it from sliding on the table. Let's go ahead and weigh it up by itself real quick so you know how much weight you're adding to your S24 Ultra. All right, scale's torn off. Let's go ahead and put it on there. 44 grams. All right, so it's gonna add 44 to your S24 Ultra. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the case real quick. Cutouts. Here's our cutouts for our camera bumps. Any Samsung branding, yeah, we have some right here. Nothing else on the sides or anything. Here's the top for your speaker holes, mic hole, all that good stuff. Our rocker buttons. And we go around here. Here's our slots for USB-C, the SIM card, and our S Pen, of course. Let's go ahead and get this on the phone real quick. Shouldn't be anything to it. Whenever I put these in, I put the rocker side in first, so the volume and power rockers, so those go in without it, you know, pressing up against the sides, putting it in. So there we go. Just sits in there. Again, I'm gonna reiterate that I am not a huge fan of this color. If you're totally into purple, you're gonna dig it. I kind of like more of the grayish aspects of the S24 Ultra, you know, its color. Not so much into this purple here. The camera rings, do we have any protection? Let's get this in camera view here. And I would say it's just sticking up just barely, like a portion of a millimeter. So not the greatest in camera bump protection, though it is just slightly raised up. If you see I get it in view there, you don't see the bump protruding. Let's check the rocker buttons here real quick. Oh yeah, so that's legit. That's definitely legit. Nice. They have a nice tactile feel to them. Very responsive. They're not muddy or anything like that. So the buttons are nice. So overall, the feeling of it feels really nice. This definitely feels like a premium silicone case. No doubt about that. It's not some cheapo. It's official. Let's also quickly check the S Pen support here. Make sure we don't have any problems with it. Cool. Let's also grab a wireless charger. Make sure it's good. All right, we got the wireless charger here, the MagSafe charger. Let's drop it on there. Looks good, no problems at all. So yeah, it seems like a cool case as long as you're down with this purple. Hey, we're gonna be checking out the SV wallet case here soon too. I wanna do a dedicated video on this because we'll cover all the features. If you have any questions or comments about the official silicone case, please drop them down in the comments section below. Always appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.